Hey, it's Pivot Dude 54321 with I'll be showing you this. It's Ninja Brickmaster 234's RC. I built it by pausing at certain parts of his video. You should check it out. His username is Ninja Brickmaster 234, and his video is called it's like RC or something like that, yellow version. And yeah, it's pretty cool, and so I built it, and yeah, it was really fun to build, really cool to build too. It's a really awesome robot, and I'll be posting instructions, so whoever wants to build it, they can build it. I mean, it wasn't my idea. This is not my robot. Well, I built it, it's mine, but it's not like my idea. It's Ninja Brickmaster 234's, and I really liked it, so I built a white one too, and yeah. His hands are like the hook things, because I couldn't find these little sort of like fist pieces right here. I couldn't find two of those the same color. I can only find an orange one, so yeah, I made the hook pieces. So yeah, I'll be posting instructions soon, maybe after this video. So yeah, this is Pivot Dude 54321 signing out.